Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with NEAR, followed by Aptos, Aave, OKB, Ondo, Kaspa, ICP, Ethereum Classic, Gate, and then we're ending with Kronos at number 40. Let's get straight into it. NEAR against USD. So NEAR seems to still be in a downwards trend. We're still under the skinny pink line. So the trend is still largely bearish. I suspect that there is still another leg lower for NEAR. At what point will we consider NEAR being done with its downwards trend, right, with its bearish and break above the skinny pink line, or form some sort of a bullish reversal chart pattern? Aptos against USD is nothing much, still down. Again, we've been forming lower lows and lower highs. So largely we're still in a downwards trend. Still no signs of a bullish reversal chart pattern yet, so I would preach caution. Aave against USD. Here we are for Aave. Aave has broken above the skinny pink line, which is great because Ethereum is rising, and as Ethereum rises, everything in its orbit, which is Aave, will rise as well. But we will prefer it if Aave dropped and form a proper C before a big breakout, right? It could be like 2027 maybe, but yeah, again, from a technical perspective, nothing much. OKB against USD will be rising higher. We have two targets fresh out of the oven. One is at 95. Target number 2 is at 138. We are about to squeeze out of the symmetrical triangle. We are about to squeeze out to $95. So yeah, I think we're going higher for OKB. I don't think it's gonna draw. I think it's gonna go higher. So 54 to 95 is about 77%. And then 136 will be 158%. So OKB, more likely than not, is going higher. Ondo against USD. So Ondo against USD, we are anticipating much more lower because we were anticipating the right shoulder since like April, May. And so the right shoulder is coming up. It's coming out. It's suspected Ondo is gonna hit lower, hit the support, and just breaks down to 18 cents. I know this is a crazy target, but we're expecting Ondo to drop 80%, more than 80%, 82%. So this will bring Ondo to sub 20 cents. 18 cents is the target. The right shoulder is expected. I think right shoulder will complete once we hit back down towards the support. And so yeah, it's not looking too good though. It's not looking too good. I think more likely than not, we're still going to clear these two sell classes over here before a potential reversal. Right? We may not hit targets, but I still think that there will be a big fall. This is a high quality head and shoulders, and head and shoulders are bearish chart patterns. Kaspa against USD. Here we are for Kaspa. We are still under the skinny pink line. Kaspa completed a head and shoulders previously. Kaspa was the one we were anticipating a right shoulder, and eventually it did come. And so it completed hitting target number 1 at 5.8 cents. Are we going to continue down to target number 2 at 4 cents? Remains to be seen. We're still under the skinny pink line, although we're already above the resistance. But we're still under the skinny pink line. So the trend is still technically bearish. Well, of course, we could still zip all the way down. But if Kaspa goes higher, takes out this high, then we will consider target number 2 to be invalidated. ICP against USD. So for ICP, we are rallying higher. Yeah, we've already taken out this right shoulder. So we're just going to consider this target to be invalidated at 376. Right. We're still anticipating it to head lower eventually. This whole thing could be like a rising channel. Right. But we could complete an inverse head and shoulders here, and ICP could still break higher. Possibly. Going close to the skinny pink line. Something like that, towards $7. Right now at 5.52. So yeah, we're considering the 376 target to be invalidated. So there you go. That's our take for ICP. Ethereum Classic against USD. Here we are for Ethereum Classic. There is a strong rally that came, but still under the skinny pink line. No signs of a bullish reversal yet. This is a very big accumulation. So if and when the break comes, I suspect Ethereum Classic will probably be heading towards triple digits, above 100, more likely than not, or close to 100. So yeah, this is quite long though, right? Previously, when Ethereum Classic had a long consolidation accumulation, what happened? Banana moves, right? So banana to $100, right? Could be a 400% move. So yeah, but this is not exactly a high quality kind of a squeeze, right? Because this was a very nice, squeeze, but we've already taken out everything, and then after that, rally, yeah, break above the skinny pink line, stay above it. That's it. We continue higher. What's this? Gate token. So okay, so Gate, all the exchange tokens are looking pretty good. We have a target over here at $28. We are still loyal to our $28 target. We're still anticipating Gate to hit the $28 target. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still largely bullish for Gate. Gate had a very, very big accumulation, right? And we are rising higher. Usually, the width of the accumulation is equivalent to the height of the rise. So more likely than not, $28 for Gate token. CRO against USD. CRO is still marking around, still under the skinny pink line. No signs of a bullish reversal chart pattern yet. Anything for us to work with? No, we don't see anything much to work with. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!